Alright, welcome back everyone, it's Big Al. I've got a challenge locking device. It is number 68 by the one and only Mr. Bill Bacardi. And I've got to tell you, this is take, I think number 3. I just had two failed attempts at this sucker right here. I kid you not. And it's a quick set lock. And yeah, two failed attempts already. This is number 3 I'm going for. There's the bitting on the key. That's part of the reason, I'm sure. The lock does work like butter, like you would imagine from, or like you would expect from Mr. Bill Bacardi. Wouldn't expect no less from the man. Okay, so I just had two failed attempts going clockwise, so I'm going to go ahead and try this one counterclockwise just to see if that works any better. Going clockwise on my failed attempts, I was able to get into some a pretty nice falset. I mean, I was probably like over here, and honestly, I thought I had the sucker open once or twice, but it wasn't open. So, without further ado, let's try and stab this sucker a couple times and see if it gives up. I'm going to start off with this gem, and like I said, I showed you the bitting on the key. I don't know if it's going to be tall enough, so I may have to switch picks in a bit here. We'll see. I'm going to go to the back and start back there, I think. Let me get a feel for it. Now that I'm going counterclockwise, it's going to change the binding order, so let me see. Yeah, I think we can still go on the back. Let's give it a shot. I got a click, but it didn't feel too good. Let's see. I think that was three. Yeah, I'm not liking the way this feels counterclockwise. Okay, there we go. I hit 2 and I got a little bit of a turn. I'll take a little bit. Alright, 4. Okay, I got a little bit more, but that may just be that trap I was in. Alright, a little bit more off of 5. See, that's a pretty good falset right there, but I'm thinking it's more of a trap than it is a falset, if you know what I mean. Okay, I'm going to go, let me see, 1, 2, I felt some counter, right? Is it here? Let me see, I was coming back out. I think it was right here. Yep, I can't set it. I think this is where I'm going to have to change picks to a deeper, because it's got them. It's got some pretty high cuts. Yep. Huh. It's playing mind games on me. The lock that doesn't play well with others. Okay, yeah, I'm going to have to go a little deeper, so I'm going to have to go with, I don't know yet, maybe, I didn't prepare for this too well, I'm sorry. Maybe one of these, let's try this dude from Sparrows. It's got a pretty decent hook to it. It just may be too much, that's what I'm worried about. 5, 4, 3. Huh. Yeah, it's about the same I got going clockwise. It gets stuck in this little trap that I'm in now, and it doesn't want to go anywhere. Yeah, it's literally just boogered up. It won't move. Huh. I'll tell you what. But Bill Bacardi knows how to make a challenge lock. I mean, he could probably make a 2-pin lock pretty damn tough, so I'm not surprised it's tough. I'm just surprised I'm not getting anywhere. Yeah, I can't, get the pins to cooperate with me. If I go back, yeah, I'm not getting squat. Tell you what, let's go clockwise. Let's try that, because at least I had a decent false set. See, I got a little turn there. I know it's kicking me into a trap. I just don't know where the trap is. See, there's a nice turn on the core. But there's a trap here. See, that's a decent turn. Where you at, buddy? Huh? Where's that trap at? Is it in the back? Tell you what, I can't find it. I can't find it to save my life. I'll be damned. Well, I got that turn back. more of it. Man, I got that false set back, but oh, it's killing me. I think that might be where the trap is. I think I just got back into the trap. I bet you I did. It feels like the trap is up front, maybe in number 2. Oh, I thought that sucker just opened up. That's a deep false set if I ever did have one. Man. Alright. Got some counter right here, if I can get it to set. There it is. I'll be damned. Wow. Holy smokes, man. I didn't set a timer, so I don't know how much time we're into, but we're gonna boogie on this one, I'll tell you what. I'll take that. Wow. Alright, let me move some of this stuff aside. Oh my goodness gracious. Okay. About right there-ish. Pinning tray right here-ish. Should be good. Be coming a little bit. Alright. Get the sucker apart. We are very much open. Fair enough. I'm gonna lock it back up since we got a key. I wanted to say something too. I don't know when this particular video right here is going to get uploaded, but I wanted to, when it does get uploaded, and you are watching this, first of all, thank you for watching, and thanks for tuning in, and if you're a subscriber, thank you so much for subscribing. What I wanted to put out there is sort of a challenge. A lot of people have been throwing challenges around lately, the upside down or the left-handed one, the vice versa challenge, this and that challenge, and they're all awesome. I actually entered a couple of them, the ones I could, and so I was thinking of one for myself that I want to put out. Is a challenge to get one of the locks, because I know I've got probably 80 locks out there already. I built like my 87th one last weekend, and I have probably 80 already out there. So I know there's quite a few of just mine in people's naughty buckets. So whether it's mine or not, just any lock that's in your naughty bucket, the challenge is to get one of those locks out of your naughty bucket. Get it out, get it picked, and well, that's not going to work. And man, what do we got here? Hollow. That ain't going to fit, is it? No. This one. Oh dear Lord. Let's just go like this. So yeah, it's a really simple challenge. See if you can get one of your locks out of your naughty bucket. Kidding me? Is this not going to work? messing this up. Hold that right there. I've got a pin stuck right here, so I'm just going to push it back up. There we go. Okay, we're good. And I dropped the first key pin out of here. I'm just going to put it back in so we can see they're all in there. 5-pinner. Good to go. Okay, let's get them laid out. So yeah, just a real simple challenge, man. Get a lock out of your naughty bucket. Go in your naughty bucket, see if there's one in there that you can get out. Heck, you may have one in there that you forgot about. Okay, on the core we've got I think they're all undercut. It sure does feel like it. Yeah. And the weird thing is they're undercut at like different depths, it looks like. But I'm seeing excuse me, I'm seeing undercuts in all of them actually. On the core. I don't know how good it's going to pick that up, but they're undercut. Okay, and let's go up top here. Tweezers. Alrighty. And the frame good? Yep. Okay, top's right there. Looks like a standard one. I'll be dipped in buttermilk. Wow. Spring. There we go. Deep spool and number 2. Different kind of spring. Copper spring in that one. 3, another spool but with a very sharp top on it. And a steel spring. Four is yet another, try to hold it up here, like a, was that a 2-piece? No. Spool. Number 4. Well, spring's not coming out yet. Number 5, another one of those. Wow, that's a spool with a very sharp top again. No wonder that sucker put up such a fight. Okay, and there's a spring from probably 5. Let's see if one of these ain't coming out. Okay, yeah, there's. I'm not going to dig it out. Number 4 is spring is kind of stuck in there, so I'm just going to let it be. I don't want to ruin nothing. And you know what? What a trip. I think he yep, he modified this the Bible part a little bit with undercuts. I believe so. I mean, I could feel them in there. Yeah. Must have went in through this end and put some kind of little rings around the inside in there. At least in some of them. I can feel it. Okay. Let's take a close up on some of these pins. Bada boom, bada bang. Again, that was Mr. Bill Bacardi's number 68. Thank you, Bill, for pinning it up. And I think, like I said, Sightless Senshi sent me this a little while back. So thank you for sending it, Sightless Senshi. I appreciate it. Let me get, oh, you know what? I'm decided I'm going to go like this now. I'm going to bring this down more. 6. So we're looking more close at the pins. Straight shot. All right, key pin number 1 standard, number 2 standard, number 3 serration on the top with a sharp top on it. 4 and 5s are standards. Drivers standard in 1. A spool with a sharp end in number 2. Same in number 3. Number 4 is a nice long spool, kind of a serrated spool. And then same thing on number 5. It looks like it's a kind of like a serrated spool, if I'm seeing that right. Of course, my eyes aren't the best, and it's got a sharp end on it right here to get caught. Actually, all these were designed to get caught in those undercuts. And the springs, there's one stuck in there still. I'm guessing it's probably another steel, and then we got a copper here in number 2. So just fantastic pins. Wouldn't expect no less from Mr. Bill Bacardi. So thank you all so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Alright, y'all, thank you so much. Big Al signing off.